And look how peaceful it looks. Grass is green. I don't know if you can see it in camera. You guys gotta come out into the wilderness. Be with nature sometimes. All the time, actually. Damn, sun's setting as I speak. Little birds and shit. Yeah, that nigga felt my energy, that's why he flew away. I don't know if you could hear all the fucking chirping and shit. Oh, that bird, he's like blue. I don't know if you can see it. What's up, bro? Yeah, that nigga said, that nigga knows what's up. The clouds are nice. I plugged my headphones in. Just look at this, man. It's hella nice out here. Yeah, a little dried up, whatever. Mosquitoes. I still don't fuck with those niggas. Yeah, you just feel so peaceful being out here. Feels like you're away from all the bullshit. Folks playing soccer over there. On that side too, you can't really see it. This is where I come to run. I ran earlier, a couple hours ago. You guys gotta come out here. You gotta come out in the wilderness. If there's a wilderness by your crib, go there. Be with the trees and shit. Look at this. When's the last time you touched a tree? Y'all niggas be so stuck on your phones and shit. Right. Oh, they're all landing up here. Odd one out. Damn, that road close. People exercising and shit. Nature's beautiful, ain't it?